Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see the part 2 of T ratios of some particular angles. For part 1, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's see some of the problems that comes under this topic. Alright, here we have evaluate tan 30 degree into secant 45 plus tan 60 degree into secant 30 degree. Now how to do this? In my previous video, we have seen the chart, right? Where we have seen all these values. So it's important to memorize those values. Alright. So here we have tan 30. Now what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Right? Into secant 45. What is secant 45? Root 2 plus tan 60 is root 3 into secant 30 is 2 by root 3, which implies root 2 by root 3 plus root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. We are left with, so now by taking LCM, we have root 2 plus 2 root 3, right? Now let's see one more problem. Let me write here. We have sine 60 degree into cos 30 plus cos 60 degree into sine 30 degree. So we know sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 is half into sine 30 is half, right? So root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2 2s are 4, right? So which is nothing but 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 1s are, so 1. Now let's see this problem. Here it says prove that cos 30 degree plus sine 60 degree by 1 plus cos 60 degree plus sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So first let's take LHS. So LHS we have cos 30 degree plus sine 60 degree divide by 1 plus cos 60 degree plus sine 30 degree, right? Similar procedure, just put the values of these T ratios. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2 divide by 1 plus cos 60 is half plus sine 30 is half, right? Which will give you 1 plus 1 is 2 root 3 by 2 divide by 1 plus half will give you 2, which is equal to 2 and 2 get cancelled. We are left with 3 by 2, which is nothing but your RHS. So here we have important relations. Now let's see how to verify these important relations by taking theta is equal to 30 degree. First let's see first one. Here it says tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So first let's take LHS. So LHS here is tan 2 theta, right? So tan 2 into theta they have said to take it as 30 degree. So 2 into 30 degree, which is nothing but tan 2 3s are 6, 0, 60 degree. Now what is tan 60? Tan 60 is nothing but root 3, right? Now let's see what is RHS. RHS we have 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, right? Which implies 2 into tan 30 degree, theta is 30 by 1 minus tan square 30, right? Which implies 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divide by 1 minus tan square 30. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. It's a square, right? Which is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by square root of root 3 is square and square root will get cancelled. We are left with 3, which is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3, taking LCM, right? Which is equal to 2 by root 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 3, when we bring to numerator, that will be 3 by 2. Agreed? So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3, right? So root 3 will get cancelled. We are left with root 3. So our LHS is equal to RHS, right? Hence it is verified that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So it's important to remember this relation, which will be applicable while solving the problem. Alright, now let's see the second relation. Let me erase this. Alright, let me do the solution here. We have sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. First let's take LHS. So here LHS is sin 2 theta. So sin 2 into theta is 30 degree, right? So therefore sin 2 into 30 is 60 degree. Now what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2, right? Now let's see RHS. So RHS we have 2 sin theta into cos theta. So 2 into sin 30 into cos 30, right? So 2 into sin 30 is half into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, right? So 2 and 2 get cancelled. We are left with root 3 by 2, right? So therefore your LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now let's see the last one. So here we have cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, and cos 2 theta can also be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So first let me do this. We have cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So in this case LHS is cos 2 theta. So cos of 2 into 30, theta is 30, right? So cos 60 degree. So cos 60 we know it is half. Similarly, what is RHS? So 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 into cos of 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It's a square, right? Minus 1. So 2 into square root and square will get cancelled. We are left with 3 by 2 square is 4 minus 1. So here we have 3 2s are 6. 6 by 4 minus 1. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, which implies by taking LCM 2 is LCM. So 3 minus 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 by 2, right? So therefore your LHS is equal to RHS. Now let's see this relation. Let me do here. We have cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? So we know LHS cos 2 theta is half, right? Similarly RHS we have 1 minus 2 into sin square theta. Theta is 30 degree, right? So 1 minus 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is half the whole square. So 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, which implies 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus half is nothing but half, which is equal to your LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now let's see one more type of problem. Now let's see this problem. Here it says if sine of a plus b is equal to 1 and cos of a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2, find a and b. So first let's take this equation. We have sine of a plus b equal to 1. So here we have sine of a plus b, which is equal to, now what value of sine will give you 1? We know sine 90 is 1. Agreed? So now we have sine of a plus b is equal to sine 90, right? That implies a plus b is equal to 90 degree, right? So let's take this equation as 1. Similarly, let's take the second equation. Here we have cos a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2, right? So cos of a minus b is equal to, what angle of cos will give you root 3 by 2? We know cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Agreed? Which implies a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now let's take this equation as 2. Solve 1 and 2. We have a plus b is equal to 90 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. When we add these two equations, b will get cancelled, right? So we have 2a is equal to 90 plus 30 is 120, which implies a is equal to 120 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 0. So therefore your a is 60 degree, right? Now let's substitute the value of a in equation 1. We have a plus b is equal to 90 degree, right? We got a as 60 degree plus b, which is equal to 90, which implies b is equal to 90 minus 60. So your b is 30 degree, right? So we got a is 60 and b is 30. Now let's see last problem. Alright. Now let's see this problem. Here it says, in right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, AB is 3 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter. Find angle C and angle A. So let's take a right angle triangle. Alright. So angle B is 90 degree, right? So this is A, this is B and this is C. Here it says AB is 3 centimeter. So AB is 3 centimeter. AC is the hypotenuse, which is 6 centimeter. Now our aim is to find angle C and angle A, right? So from figure, sine C, what is sine C? This angle means the side opposite to this angle is this side. So sine we know opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side is AB, by hypotenuse is AC, right? So your sine C is equal to, AB is 3 centimeter by AC is 6. So 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6. So we have sine C is equal to half. So sine C is equal to, so what angle of sine is half? We know sine 30 is half. Agreed? It implies C is 30 degree, right? So now you got the angle C. Now it is easy to find the angle A, right? So now we know in a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So now we don't know A, plus angle B is 90 degree and angle C we got as 30 degree, which is equal to 180 degree, right? Angle A plus 90 plus 30 is 120, which is equal to 180 degree. So therefore your angle A is 180 minus 120, that will give you 60 degree. So your angle A is 60 degree. So this is it in this video. If you want me to solve some more problems under this topic, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to do so. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.